Was dat niet op de weg? Ik heb niet
Môre Thys. Môre Stadler, ek is André Kreer, Skorrie môre.
O, Stadler. Ja. Heel lang. Ja, aangenaam.
So unfortunately, we have to put it out again. But we got to the point where you're going to take it home tonight. So we did the work before you got there. But unfortunately, the motor it's got a stuck lifter, so we have to pull heads off it and finish it off. But we got it going. We got it going this morning at 11:30. So we've been running around for a week trying to get this done. It's been a week of load. And we've had the lighting, so it's
Ja, ja.
had the lighting quite a few times.
Ja, jammer als het allemaal verleert.
Nou, how wil het maken de
That's right. That's what I'm doing.
Alex, just upon it, please.
We had a motor going around.
Oh, yeah.
No, we're going to need to...
Kyk op jou vooruit, Thys. Kyk op jou vooruit.
Oh, that's beautiful. Let on. Let on.
But unfortunately, we didn't quite get it right because it wasn't.
Sure, guys. Je bent niet teleurgesteld, je zegt, ga nog werken.
What are the main needs up here?